Forecast.
Nice Blue Ridge sunrise this morning as the sun was cresting over the mountains. Warren Faulk captured that nice shot. We had a lot of cloudiness for a while today before those clouds finally broke up. But again, it made for some nice sky conditions. Here's the nice shot from Wintergreen from Ed Stover. And you can see a little bit of crepuscular rays, some sunbeams. Made it up to high of 47 this afternoon, currently 40. We've had some gusty winds throughout the day. Those winds relax here tonight. The air mass is very dry. It will be a frigid start early Friday morning. 32 at Valley Airport in Weir's Cave. Skies are clear. Northwesterly wind at 7. We've had some gust over 20 throughout the day, but those winds relaxing here tonight. 35 in Madison, 35 there in Palmyra. We've got 39 in Dillwyn, 33 in Waynesboro, a pair of 32s in Harrisonburg and Stanton. So temperatures by dawn in the upper teens to around 20 across much of central Virginia, some middle teens in the valley, some sheltered locations could be even colder. And then tomorrow's a chilly day minus the wind, less wind than what we saw today. Upper 30s to near 40 in the valley, low to mid 40s here across central Virginia. Mountains will hold in the 20s. Then we gear up for Saturday, first alert weather day, winter storm, temperatures in the low and mid 30s, likely beginning to snow, and then changing over to a wintry mix. Sunday's a much improved day, but here we are with the winter storm watch for a good portion of the viewing area. By tomorrow, there'll be adjustments made, whether it goes for some under a winter weather advisory, other areas of winter storm warning. So again, Saturday morning's arrival, early to mid-morning, should start as snow area wide, but temperatures will be below freezing during that time. But then we're going to start to mix over as temperatures aloft warm up to change over the precip types. But certainly be prepared for hazardous travel, disruptions, cancellations, and we'll continue to keep you posted. Right now, in terms of snow, sleet accumulations, about 1 to 2 near the 29 corridor and just west of there. As you get closer toward Route 15 and south and east, likely less than an inch of snow or sleet. But then the mountains, the valley floor, about 2 to 6, that higher end numbers for the mountains. But I do anticipate even these areas will mix over with the setup of this storm. So right now, in terms of glazing from freezing rain, we could see maybe 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch. So that's something to keep an eye on as well. So here's the arrival of the precipitation Saturday morning, likely beginning to snow, but then from east to west, more mixing will occur. Cold rain across much of the western Piedmont, and eventually it kicks over to more rain here across a good portion of central Virginia. Still some snow and mix along the Blue Ridge and points west, but even Saturday evening, that goes over to a mix before it shuts off. And Sunday's a much improved weather day, even though we'll have the refreeze Saturday night and the like. So here we are now. Things are quiet. Wind is subsiding as high pressure builds in. More clouds will start to gather tomorrow. There's the storm coming out of the Four Corners area of New Mexico, Colorado into West Texas. And that energy will kind of reemerge along the Carolinas and then head up toward the Delmarva. And that will be a larger storm system for both Saturday and the Northeast on Sunday. Temperatures tonight in the teens to low 20s. It's a frigid start tomorrow morning, wrapping up any preparations tomorrow for the storm here on Saturday, but it won't be an all snow event. We're going to mix and we're going to go over to rain, and again, some of those areas that'll occur quicker off to the east as opposed to the west, but again, their mixing will occur. And then Sunday's a drier day, another storm to watch Tuesday of next week.
Eric, thank you.
Thank you.